Hello, welcome guys. Welcome to another video of Digital's Earth. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use Windows RDP on your PC, on your laptop, on your desktop computer. So, without wasting time, let me show you. This is a package that I have bought on a website called buyrdponline.com. Okay, so this package is just in $1 per week. As you can see, its validity is 7 days, and I just got one CPU, 1 GB RAM, and 25 GB SSD disk. Okay, so you can also buy your RDPs at very reasonable prices from this website. Okay guys, so let me show you my details. These are my login details that I have got from after buying my order from this website. Okay, so now you need to go to your search box and you need to type remote desktop connection and open it up. Okay, so this is how I opened it up, and now you can type your IP here as I did right now, and you can click on show more and your username, and that's administrator in this case, so I just copied it and placing it here. Okay, so now click connect and it might take some time. Okay, so now they are asking us password. Okay, so here is my password written. I just copied and placed it. Okay, so just click OK. Okay, so now you need to check the tick box and then press yes, so that they don't ask you this over and over. Okay, so it's just connecting and configuring remote session. Okay, so you can see here on my screen a new thing is opened, a new setup is just opened, a new display is opened, and this is visible in front of you. So this is just like a new system inside a laptop or your computer or anything that you just open it up. Okay, so this is something new displayed in front of you people. So this is how you can simply just do it, and you can minimize it, you can cross it, you can open it again, you can use both PCs at the same time, and you can buy these all things from this website, and this will get you very good RDPs with very reasonable prices, and the prices are starting from $1 per week only. So this will not cost you too much. I highly recommend this website. So I hope you have understood this. If there is any problem and you are unable to fix it, you can ask me in the comment section. I'm always there to help you out. You can reach me out through our social media channels as well. I am going to give the link in the description of my social medias as well, and buyrdponline.com as well. You can buy RDPs from here. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.